Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students, today I am going to take an agriculture studies class for the students of class 7, and our today's topic is lesson 3, 4 and 8 from chapter 6. And we all know that the name of this chapter is afforestation, and today we will discuss about bamboo and the medicinal plant Neem and the use of the bamboos. And we all know that bamboo is a common industrial material. I mean, it is a very essential industrial plant. And whenever we want to make a house, or if want to make a high-rise building, bamboo is must. I mean, it's a very essential product, and it is a raw material of the paper industries also. So, and in our country there are 23 types of bamboos, but there are more than 1000 species of bamboos in the whole world. So let's start the class today. So at first we will start with lesson 3, identity, significance and cultivation process of construction materials, plant, bamboo. So at first, identity. Bamboo is known as building material, and it is usually cultivated from motha or rhizomes, and it generally grows 5 to 7 meter tall. Tender bamboo is green and the matured bamboo is of biscuit color. So tender bamboo, the young bamboo is green color, and when the bamboo becomes matured it will be biscuit color, and the bamboo leaf is thin and longish. Flower and seed grow in bamboo trees once in 100 years. So the bamboo flower is very rare, and the scientific name of bamboo is bambusoideae. And in our country there are 23 types of bamboos. I have mentioned it before, but bamboos are of two origins. One is forest grown bamboo and another one is bamboo grows in rural homestead. And what are the forest grown bamboos? Like muli, mitinga, dalu and nolitala, batua, makla, etc. And bamboo grows in rural homestead are ora, borak, barua, maral, etc. And my dear students, now we will know about the cultivation process of bamboo. And dear students, bamboo can grow in everywhere in our country, and we can grow bamboo in 3 ways. And what are they? Motha and offset method, pre-twig shoot grafting method and node grafting method. So these are the 3 methods, and by the 3 methods we can cultivate bamboo, or we can produce bamboo. And at first we will know about the method of bamboo cultivation in motha or offset. Now look, this is called motha. This is the bamboo motha or offset, and for this method we will select a 1 to 3 years old motha, or offset should be selected. That means we will select 1 to 3 years old motha for this process. And what is offset? Offset is the bottom of the bamboo motha with 3 to 4 nodes under the ground, and this part is called offset. This is, and the month of Chaitra is the suitable time for collecting offset. So which one is the suitable time for collecting offset? The month of Chaitra. Remember, the month of Chaitra is the suitable time for collecting motha or offset, and the collected offset is planted in the sandy bed in a temporary nursery till the rainy season starts. So till the rainy season the offset must be planted in the sandy bed, and it will be a temporary nursery, and in 15 to 20 days new leaf and bud sprout from most of the offsets. And if we irrigate regularly, we will get our desired result. And this offset is transplanted in the pit field with a mixture of soil and cow dung at 3:1 ratio. So remember this ratio, the ratio will be 3:1. And now the next method of pre-root twig grafting. So in this method, twig with the roots and mota is called pre-root twig, and the twig graft should be cut along with the roots and mota from the bamboo aged less than 1 year from the month of Falgun to Ashwin. So remember, we will cut the roots and mota from the bamboo which is less than 1 year, and the collected twig graft must be planted straight in the depth of 7 to 10 centimeter temporary made nursery. So we will collected it and then we will transplanted it in the depth of 7 to 10 centimeter of the temporary nursery bed. And now look, there is a picture of the pre-root twig grafting. Now look, this is the twig and this is the bamboo stem and this is the root, or we can get those root naturally. Sometimes the roots develop at the bottom of the bamboo naturally, and then when we get the saplings must be planted in the polybags with soil and cow dung mixed at 3:1 ratio, the same ratio which is mentioned in the motha or offset method. And the twig graft should be planted during the month of Boishakh Jyeshtha. So this is the best time for planted the twig. Now the next method of node grafting, and the process of producing saplings by cutting the bamboo stem into pieces is called node grafting method. So what is called node grafting method? The process of producing saplings by cutting the bamboo stem into pieces is called node grafting method. And for this, 1 to 3 year old strong bamboo should be selected. So for this method, we must select 1 to 3 year old strong bamboo. Remember it. And after that, we will cut the bamboo, node of the bamboo into pieces. That means we will make slices. Now look, newly cut bamboo should be sliced into node long pieces, and these slices must be planted in the temporary nursery bed in the months of Chaitra and Boishakh, and roots will grow in most of the node grafting during Ashar and Shravan. So when the nodes will grow? During the Ashar and Shravan, and the node graft along with its roots should be taken out of the temporary bed, and then we will plant it in the field before the rainy season is over. So before the rainy season is over, we will plant the node grafts. Now the nursing of bamboo. The soil at the bottom of the plant should be loosened, and the place must be weeded out. So where we plant the bamboos, this place must be weeded out regularly, and infected trees must be taken out along with its mota and burnt down. So if any bamboo plant got infected, we will cut it down and then we will burn down. Now the collection of bamboos. Bamboo takes 3 years to be matured, and 3 years old bamboo should be collected. So a bamboo takes 3 years to be matured. So when we will cut the bamboos, we will collect the bamboos after 3 years. When the bamboo will be 3 years, we will collect it, and it should be remembered that we will not cut bamboo during the planting time, and it is harmful for the bamboo. Now the significance of the bamboo, and bamboo is called the timber of poor, because the poor people use it to build their houses, and it is the principal raw material in rural cottage industry. And by using bamboo, we can make basket, polo, hat, etc. And bamboo made bridges are used in the villages. So if you want to cross the canal, you can make a bridge using bamboos. And we can make yoke, spade, rake, etc. by using bamboo. That means the agricultural equipments can be made from bamboo. And for conservation of crops and plants, bamboo fence is used. So if you want to protect your crops or plants from animals or from harm, you can make a fence with bamboo. And bamboo is used as the raw material in producing paper and rayon in mills and factories. So this is also the raw materials. That means the bamboo plays a very great role in our day-to-day life, and it plays a very great role in the economy of the rural area of our country. So my dear students, these are all about bamboos. Now we will go to lesson 4. That means identity, significance and cultivation process of medicinal plant neem. And neem is a common plant in our country, and it is called medicinal plant because it has quality to cure diseases, and it can cure diseases like eczema, or it can also reduce the irritation of the skin, or and it is also can control the skin diseases, and it has versatile uses. We will know it. Okay, let's read. Neem is a deciduous tree of medium to big size. Deciduous means in winter the leaves are fallen down. That means it withered leaves during winter season. So that is why it is called deciduous tree. And there are at least 2 varieties of neem. And what are they? Malia azadarat and Azadirachta indica. So these are the 2 varieties we have found in our country, and it grows 10 to 20 meter tall, and leaf is compound, and there are 9 to 15 leaf blades in one petole. So you will get 9 to 15 leaf in one blade, and flowers are white and sweet scented, and fruits are oval shaped. So flowers are white and the fruits are oval shaped. Now the reproduction, how you will get the neem plant. Reproduction of neem tree is done through seeds, and this is the popular process, and its reproduction can be done by root and stem cutting as well. So we can also reproduce neem by root and stem cutting. Now we will know about the significance of the neem. Why do we need to plant neem tree more and more? Because the bark of neem tree is used for healing health problem like rheumatic fever. So this is one kind of fever, that means the inflammation of the joints of the bones or the body. The ringworm and eczema, periodontal diseases, that means which is related to the teeth, that cause bleeding and releasing of pus. Pyorrhea, that and this is also disease of the tooth. That means in this disease your teeth will be loosened. And jaundice. Neem bark extract makes the gum strong. Gum means the fleshy part around the teeth. So by using the neem bark we can make our gum strong. And the neem leaf is used for controlling skin diseases and for reducing the irritation that worm cause. And dry leaf of neem is used to prevent insects and in cloves and rice. And neem oil cake is used as germicide, and we can also use neem leaf as an insecticide for crops. And there are another use of neem. We can use the neem twig to use for brushing our teeth. So these are the use of the neem trees, and that means neem has a very great role in our life, and it has versatile or several type of uses, and it has a medicinal quality which can cure the diseases of our life. So we should plant the neem plant more and more, neem trees more and more. Now we will know the cultivation process of neem. At first we will prepare the land, and how. Neem grows well in well drained loamy soil. So at first we have to plow the land for making it clean and weed free. So at first we will plow the land and then we will make it clean and weed free. Now the producing the saplings. The month of June and July is the proper time to collect neem seeds. So which one is the proper time to collect neem seeds? June and July. And after peeling off the outer covering, the seeds are kept open and the seeds are washed in clean water. Then what will you do after washing the clean water? Yeah, then the seeds are dried in the shade. So we will dry up the seeds in the shade, and then the dried seeds are sowed in polybags for producing seedlings within a week. So we will sow the seeds in the polybags for producing seedlings within a week, and the producing seedlings are to be planted in the land after 1 year. So we will plant those saplings after 1 year. So we will keep those seedlings in polybags. Now making pit and planting seedlings. For planting neem seedlings, pits of 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter size. That means length, width and height will be 1 meter. Size at 7 meter into 7 meter distance should be dug in the field. So you need to make a pit which will be 7 into 7 meter distances. That means 49 meter square distance, and the soil of lower part of the pit is to be mixed with decomposed cow dung or compost. Now look, whenever you dug the pit, you will separate the soil of the upper part and the lower part. Then what will you do? Then the pit is to be filled up, giving the soil of the upper part in the lower part of the pit. So we will fill up the pit with the upper part of the soil, but before that we need to dry up this pit for 15 days in the sun, and after 15 days of it, the seedlings of 1 year old have to be planted in the middle of the pits. Now nursing. Sticks should be tied to the young plant and fenced around, so young plants need a support, and the land has to be irrigated in the dry season. So if there is a dry season, if there is no rain, we will irrigate it. The soil of the bottom of the plant has to be loosened by pricking at times. So we will loosen the soil of the bottom regularly. Now yielding and harvesting. Leaves, bud, fruits and seeds can be collected after 8 to 10 years of planting the seedling. And why do you collect it? Because it is a medicinal plant and we can use it to cure diseases and for several purposes. Now lesson 8. Use of agro construction material, bamboo. So now we will know about the use of the bamboo in our life. We can use bamboo in construction work, and for construction work, strong bamboos like borak in particular are used for constructing houses, and the low income people of the village depend on the bamboo to build their houses. Now bamboo in furniture, and furniture is made of mainly mullein, marl and tall bamboos. And what kinds of furniture can be made from them? We can make bookshelf, sofa, stool, chair, etc. Then bamboo in decoration. Decoration work is done with marl, tala and bamboos with fine fiber, and nowadays it is very popular to decorate the houses and the offices with bamboos. Now bamboo in making equipment. Equipment is made from a stronger type of bamboo like borak. So we can make yoke or plow or spade, ladder, rake by using the borak bamboo. Now bamboo in transport and as firewood. So a stronger type of bamboo like borak is used in making transports. We can make rickshaw, boat, cart, etc. by using the borak bamboo, and all types of bamboo leaves and other parts are used as firewood. So this is a fine firewood also. So these are the use of bamboos, and you will try to find out the other uses of the bamboos. Now my dear students, there is a homework. This is homework number 12, and you will write the significance of bamboo plants. I repeat, write the significance of bamboo plants. So after going through this lesson, you will write the significance of your bamboo plants. So my dear students, before doing your homework, all of you will go through your book and then you will do your homework. So dear students, this is all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Today we have learned the identity, significance and the cultivation process of the construction material bamboo plants and the medicinal plant Neem. So dear students, all of you do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. So dear students, practice a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.